Welcome to the doubles. Day one, I'm bowling with Mitch, Boog's bowling with Kevin, BJ's bowling with Tom Doherty, Nick's bowling with Matt Russo, Darren and Chris Vi are bowling together, Prather and Andrew Anderson are bowling together. 10 games, 5 on the short in the morning, 5 on the long tonight. Hopefully we find ourselves somewhere in the top 16 to make it to match play the following day.
Brother, I'll wake your ass up.
Let's just take a second to look at this Airbnb. I'm just saying, hopefully we bowl like some superheroes today. I'm living in Iron Man's room. We are the Avengers. The pens are gonna explode for us. What superhero would I be?
Yeah.
Probably the Hulk. Nah, that's Chris Vi.
So you guys are bowling together.
What superhero would you be if you could be any superhero?
Thor's bowling.
You'd be Thor?
Yeah. Matt Russo.
What about you?
Ant-Man.
That's such a business. Yikes.
I feel like I want to be the Hulk. That's just a little man syndrome.
As always, there's a 10% discount code at thehousebowling.com using code WSOB for the entire World Series of Bowling. Go to thehousebowling.com. You can get this merch that I'm wearing right now or any of our merch for 10% off using code WSOB at thehousebowling.com. go.
I'm pacing at 200 over for 5. So if that's pacing, Boog's gonna give me 300 over for 5. We're gonna go 500 over tonight, and then we're gonna get into the cut. And then from there, we'll bowl our sprint of match play because it's a sprint.
The match play is not a sprint. 16
It's a sprint, bro.
16 Baker.
Baker, sprint.
we killed them pretty good there. So we cracked them pretty good. However, we had some making up to do. So we ended up finishing in 10th, which means we get 16 game of extended match play tomorrow. I'm really looking forward to it. It's always fun bowling with Mitch, and the more I get to bowl with Mitch, the better we do. Get a chance to defend our title and hopefully extend what we already got going on. 16 games of match play tomorrow. We went 350 over tonight. We got some work to do, got some matches to win, but he's got a really good look on the short. I got a really good look on the long. We should be good to go tomorrow.